Hey guys, it's Jack from GrailRewards.com. Just a quick video for you guys. We are so excited. We are on the verge this evening of starting our first live beta testing. So I wanted to just do a quick video. I know the system and the process and what we're introducing here is very new, very unique, and a little different than what you may have seen or experienced on other websites or in other similar comic book drawings, things of that nature. So take your time. So here's a first few hints and a few things we just wanted to let you guys know for our beta testers. First of all, welcome, welcome, welcome. It has taken us over 5 months to build out what you're seeing in front of you. And this is just the first phase. This is our first version of GrailRewards.com. Lots of changes, lots of tweaks are going to be going on over the next few weeks and the next few months. That's the way it is when you're a first shot out of the gate. There was nothing else we could look at. This is completely custom software. And I want to tell you up front, a lot of people have been asking, and yes, we will be working on an app version of the website that will be coming for Android and iPhone. So hang on. All of these things are in the works. So let's just get to some quick things. First, you will experience, because this is new software, new technology, new website, there's going to be some bugs, there's going to be some issues here and there. That's the way it works. Don't worry about it. We've been through this with a lot of other developments in the past. So simply, if you're having an issue or you don't understand something or something's not working the way you think it should, let us know. Remember, this is a community project. So we want your input. We want to know what's going on. You can reach us through the contact form up above on the homepage. That's number one. You can always send us questions there. Second, the big question that's been coming up about purchasing your books or utilizing your books as part of the rewards. This is not the platform for that. However, Grail Rewards, the company itself, does procure and purchase items and graded comic books that we will use and pull out of our vault to put up as reward product offerings. Right now, unless you've been contacted directly through us or have a relationship with us, that's not on the table right now because we need to be focused on the website and working our way through this beta phase. But we will be opening the door in the near future for you to communicate with our staff in regards to potentially purchasing books that we feel may be of interest to our community. So stick around for that. So second, or third, real important, if you've registered for free in the website and you're here in the dashboard, please, before you do anything, go to the YouTube channel and subscribe to the Grail Rewards YouTube channel and watch those tutorial videos. It's very easy. Everything is simple here, but it's going to make it even easier if you just take a few minutes to watch those quick videos and the FAQs and some of the things that are there that will kind of explain to you better about the crowd reward system that we've created. We're not selling anything. The RPOs are reward product offerings that you get to join in on by using your digital credits to purchase digital products. And right now during the beta launch, that means advertising, banner impressions. So you'll learn about that there. I'm not going to go through it here. I've already done that in the tutorials and in the FAQ question and answer stuff at the YouTube channel. Lots of things will be happening at the YouTube channel. We're going to be doing lots of live events as well as some other stuff there. So we'll talk about that in a second. So do that. Number two, you should automatically and absolutely be a follower of our Grail_rewards account. Grail_rewards account. That's the only official Instagram account for Grail Rewards. You're going to see preview books there, other information, other opportunities, giveaways. Yes, we're going to be doing t-shirts. We have some really cool stuff planned in the near future, free books, all kinds of crazy stuff. So definitely you want to make sure you're on YouTube and Instagram and right here in the news section. So you will see there's a news section underneath this video. If you there's an area for 3 different news stories there. If you're watching this at the beginning, there's only the one news story that's up. So if you click on the text on the title, it will then open up to show you and you can read the news story. That's how that works. All right. Other than that, we've seen a few bugs so far. We're going to be tweaking those and fixing those as we go on. You can keep track of that. We're going to be putting up new news stories in regards to the bugs, things that have been fixed. That's really about it. In terms of the RPOs, these initial RPOs, while we're going through this testing phase, we don't have a set schedule for when we're putting up new reward product offerings. So that's coming. Right now, they're going to be sporadic. And that's why you want to keep track and watch on Grail Rewards specifically for those updates in here as we're releasing new RPOs through this testing process. The type of comic books we're putting up, that's going to be all different, a variety of books, as always, are going to be put up here. Golden Age, Silver Age, Bronze Age, different valuations, different CGC grades. It's going to be across the board. There's going to be something for everybody. Marvel, DC, Independence, you name it, we're going to do it here. The other question that's been coming up is, how do we do the reward drawings with the crowd reward stuff that we're doing here, the crowd reward offerings? Well, that's going to be, there's going to be a lot of interesting things coming in the future. I can't talk about too much of that, but let's put it this way. Initially, we're going to be using random.org, and you'll always have the ability to see the verification code so you can see that it's only been run once. Obviously, we're doing this. The credibility factor has to be there and be maintained, the legitimacy, and that's why we're doing it that way. We're also going to be doing these live, which means not only are you going to be able to go and verify with the code verification at random.org, but we want to include a second level of credibility, of legitimacy here for new people. So a lot of these are going to be run, the random.org is going to be run on a live stream on our YouTube channel. Okay, so you're going to see us doing them live on the YouTube channel. No one's doing that. No one's doing anything like that. We're doing this because we want you guys to feel that this is the platform for what we're doing here. We are going to commit ourselves to doing everything we do one step better. We want to protect everybody's interests. We want to do this the right way because we are the first ones to do this, and we have so many great things planned for this community. Now, with that being said, we're actually building and creating something that's completely revolutionary, just like the platform itself here, for the drawings. And that's not going to be out right now, but wait until you see what we're planning for that. And it's going to be available to lots of people and lots of different opportunities to use the software that we're creating. So with that in mind, have a great time. Help us out here. Spread the word. Remember, it's free to join. Get us out on social media. Make people communicate with you. Help them get into the process here. Let's build this community together, because the more people and the more user base that we have here, number one, we're going to be able to publicize these charities and help out these wonderful charities through the GR Gives Back program, the charity banner program. And there's so much more that we're going to do for the charities in that situation. Stay tuned. We are also going to be able to go into our vault and bring out bigger and better comic book RPOs, comic art, all kinds of things. But it's up to all of us to help build this together. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the new news story. And remember, get that Grail.